In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sort data using pivot table. Pivot tables are one of Excel's most powerful features. A pivot table allows you to extract the significance from large, detailed data sets. From the data set we have here, we have 7 fields, which is order date, region, rep, item, sales, unit price, total. If we look at it very well, let's take for example, we want to sort for regions. And if you look at the regions, we have east, north, west. Probably what you are looking for is to summarize a data set that shows which region has the highest total. To do this, all you need to do is to click any part of the data set. It can be any part of the data set. Next is to click on the Insert button, click on Pivot Table. A dialog box will show, as you can see, but you need to check to ensure that this dotted line covers the whole data set. As far as the dotted line covers the whole data set, you are good to go. If it's not covered, all you need to do is just to minimize this and re-highlight on all data sets. Okay. Then, by default, a pivot table will create a new sheet. But if you choose to click on the existing sheet, it's up to you. But I would suggest you should maintain it as a new sheet. Then click on OK. When you click on OK, your pivot table will build a blank report here, and also we have all the fields in the pivot table here. You can drag your fields in any of these 4 boxes here, which is filter, columns, rows, values. By default, if I click any values, any field that has figures, numbers, values, amount, it will automatically drop here. Take for instance, if I check total, you'll see that it drops into the value box, and you can see the total sum here. If you click unit price, it also automatically falls on the value box, same as here. Let's assume I also check total. You can see it also falls on the value box. Okay, look at when I picked region, it automatically falls on rows. Our report is becoming more meaningful. This is one of the 2 methods you can use in summarizing your data set on pivot table. It's either you tick the boxes to the respective field that you want to, like for instance, I can decide to move region into the column and also bring it back to the row. So it depends on how you want it. I can also drag rep into the row box. You can have it here. So whatever decision you are making here, it automatically reflects on your summary box here. That is the first step. The second step is go to this empty report, right click on the empty report, click on pivot table options, click on display, check classic pivot table layers, then click on OK. This way you can move your fields into the report directly. As you can see, I can pick up the total into this box. Okay, so in this case you already know how your east, your north and the west are showing which of the region has the highest total. In this case you can see it is north. This you cannot achieve if you are trying to search for it on the data set here. So what a pivot table does is to help you to summarize your report quicker and faster. You can imagine when your boss or you need a quick information about probably a summary of what you are looking for in your data set. Pivot table is where you have to go to. Another typical example is I can decide to also drag rep into this box. You can see it's continuing to give you more options of what report you are actually trying to summarize. In summary, what a pivot table does is to summarize millions of data sets into a more meaningful information. Thank you.